The power of decluttering your space for family harmony. What if I told you that the secret to a happier, more peaceful family isn't in parenting books, but right in your home? Do you ever feel like the clutter in your house is creating clutter in your mind too? Maybe your kids are always losing things, your home feels chaotic, and you're constantly stressed trying to manage it all. What if you could transform your home into a space of peace, clarity, and connection just by letting go of the excess? In this video, I'm going to show you how decluttering isn't just about tidying up, it's about creating emotional balance, reducing stress, and fostering deep family harmony. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will see how decluttering is one of the most powerful parenting tools you never knew you had. So let's dive in. Dear mothers, imagine walking into your home and feeling a sense of peace instead of chaos. No more tripping over toys, no more endless piles of laundry, and no more feeling like you're drowning in stuff. In this video, you are going to discover how decluttering your home can reduce daily stress. A clutter-free space leads to clutter-free mind, making you a more patient and a present mother. It improves your family relationships. Less mess means fewer arguments over lost items, undone chores, or overwhelming to-do lists. It also encourages responsibility among children. Your children will learn to value what they have and take ownership of their space. It will create an energy shift in your home. A lighter, more intentional space fosters emotional development, focus, and harmony for everyone. My promise is by the end of this video, you'll walk away with simple yet powerful decluttering strategies that will not only transform your space, but also elevate the emotional energy of the entire family. Because decluttering isn't just about your home, it's about creating an environment that nurtures the conscious parent you always wanted to become. Stay with me because in just a few minutes you'll learn exactly how to make this shift effortlessly and start seeing results immediately. Let me start with my personal story. I remember a time when my home felt like it was working against me instead of for me. Toys were everywhere, paper piled up on every surface, and every morning started with the same chaos. Searching for lost shoes, backpacks, that one missing homework assignment, and instead of enjoying a peaceful morning, I found myself constantly nagging. Why is this here? Can someone please put this away? One day, after yet another argument over a missing school project, I had this realization. It wasn't just the clutter in my home that was stressing me out. It was the clutter in my mind and emotions, and I felt overwhelmed, frustrated, and like I was always reacting instead of connecting with my family. That's when I decided to change things. I started really small, one drawer at a time. I involved my children in the process, helping him decide what to keep and what to let go of. Slowly, our home became lighter and something unexpected happened. Our energy shifted. Mornings became calmer. My son became more responsible for his things, and I stopped feeling like a full-time referee in my own home. Later, I worked with another mother, Priya, who had 3 kids, and she was drowning in clutter. The same mess is endless and impatient. Together, we tackled her space using simple decluttering techniques, and within weeks, she called me and said, "Aanchal, I never realized how much stress was hiding in my stuff. My home feels so much lighter, and I finally have space to breathe." That's when I knew decluttering isn't just about organizing things. It's about making room for what truly matters: peace, connection, and harmony in your family. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can achieve the same transformation in your home. without feeling overwhelmed or guilty about letting go of things. So let's dive in. Why cluttering is essential for a conscious parent? Let's understand. As a mother, your days are already packed with school drop-offs, meal planning, work, and never-ending to-do list. But here's the hidden culprit behind much of our daily stress: the clutter in our home. When our home is cluttered, our mind feels cluttered too. You're constantly picking things up, managing stress, and feeling overwhelmed by the sheer amount of stuff. And the result is less patience, more frustration, and less quality time with your children. If you have ever thought, I don't have time for this, the truth is you're already spending more time managing clutter than you realize. And it's stealing your energy, your peace, and your ability to show up as a calm, conscious parent you want to be. Decluttering isn't just about cleaning, it's about creating an environment that nurtures emotional well-being. When your home is clear, your mind is clearer too. When your space is calm, your energy is calm. When things have a place, your family feels more in control. Children thrive in spaces that feel safe, predictable, and clutter-free. A messy environment can make them feel distracted, anxious, and even resistant to taking responsibility of their own belongings. Have you ever noticed how kids often say, I can't find my shoes, or I don't want to clean up, it's too much? That's because clutter creates decision fatigue and overwhelm. Not just for you, but for them too. By decluttering, you're not just organizing, you're teaching your children essential life skills like responsibility, mindfulness, and valuing what you have. As a conscious parent, your energy shapes your home atmosphere. If you are constantly overwhelmed by the mess and disorder, that energy spreads to your children too. But the great news is, you have the power of changing this. Decluttering is an act of self-care. It's a way to reclaim your space, your peace, and your ability to be present with your family. When your home is in harmony, your relationships thrive. And the best part is, you don't have to do it all at once. In this video, I'll be sharing simple, doable steps to help you start decluttering in a way that feels light, empowering, and freeing. Because when we declutter our space, we declutter our minds and energy, and most importantly, our parent. So are you ready to create a home that nurtures harmony instead of stress? Let's get started. Before we dive in, I want all of you to get your notepads and a pen, or maybe open your digital notes. It's of utmost importance to take notes so you can write down what all you need to declutter today. From which drawer are you going to start? And which is the technique you're going to use first? It will be super helpful if you take notes. Also, at the end of this video, if you stay till the end, I will be sharing a very resourceful guide for you. The Decluttering for Family Harmony Guide. A simple step-by-step checklist to help you apply these steps with ease. And for those who are ready to take this to the next level, you'll also get early access to my exclusive course on conscious parenting and home energy transformation. Decluttering isn't just about tidying up. It's about creating an environment that nurtures peace, emotional balance, and positive family dynamics. When you remove unnecessary clutter, you create space for calmness, clarity, and connection. So let's break it down into 3 essential parts. What decluttering for family harmony truly means, why it is a game changer for your parenting journey, and how to implement it with simple, actionable steps. Let's start with what. Let me tell you the 6 key points. Number 1, decluttering is not just about cleaning, it's about energy flow. When your home is cluttered, it creates mental clutter, leading to stress, overwhelm, and emotional exhaustion both for you and your kids. A clear space is equal to clear mind, leading to better focus, reduced stress, and a more positive family atmosphere. Number 2, your home shapes your family's emotions. Ever notice how kids are more irritable in a messy room? Clutter triggers sensory overload, leading to more tantrums, stress, and sibling fights. A decluttered space promotes calm, ease, and emotional stability. Number 3, a home that works for you, not against you. A well-organized home reduces daily friction. No more morning chaos, searching for shoes or school books. Everything has a place, making daily routine smoother. Number 4, decluttering teaches kids responsibility and gratitude. When kids have fewer but meaningful belongings, they appreciate what they have and take better care of their things. It fosters independence and the ability to let go, a skill that they'll really need in life. 5th, decluttering strengthens family bonds. Working together to clean out spaces helps build teamwork and communication within the family. It turns into a shared family experience rather than a dreaded chore. 6th, decluttering is a form of self-care for moms. A decluttered home reduces mental load and decision fatigue, helping moms feel lighter and more in control. It creates space for what truly matters: peace, connection, and joy. Why is it important? Let's discuss the 6 reasons. Number 1, it reduces stress and overwhelm. Moms juggle endless responsibilities, and clutter adds to the mental load. A simplified space is equal to a simplified life is equal to less stress. Number 2, it improves communication and family cooperation. When everything has a place, kids don't need to ask where things are. Fewer arguments about lost items and mess. 3, it boosts emotional well-being. Cluttered space trigger anxiety and frustration for both kids and parents. A well-organized space fosters calm, relaxation, and positive emotions. 4, it encourages mindfulness and conscious living. Decluttering makes you more intentional about what enters your home. You shift from mindless consumption to valuing what truly matters. 5th, it teaches kids life skills and responsibility. Kids learn how to declutter, organize, and maintain order, habits that will serve them into adulthood. It fosters a sense of ownership and pride in their space. 6th, it frees up time for what matters most. Less clutter means less time spent managing stuff and more time spent with the family. Instead of tidying all day, you get to focus on memories, connection, and relaxation. Let's get to how to declutter your house. Technique 1, the one room energy reset method. Declutter one room at a time, starting with the space that causes the most stress. How would you do it? Choose a high stress area, maybe a messy living room or a chaotic entryway. Set a timer of 30 minutes. Don't overthink. Declutter in short bursts to avoid burnout. 3. Sort into 3 piles. Keep, donate, and discard. Teach kids the power of letting go. Give every item a home. If it doesn't have a place, it shouldn't stay. Involve your kids. Let them decide what's meaningful to keep. Celebrate the transformation. Take before and after pictures to feel the energy shift. For example, instead of yelling every morning, "Where's your backpack?" create a designated backpack station near the door. This one small change will reduce stress instantly. Technique 2. The less is more. Toy declutter strategy. Too many toys is equal to overstimulation and shorter attention span and more tantrums. So how would you do it? Gather all toys in one spot. This gives a realistic view of how much is there. Sort into categories. Keep favorite, donate, extra, discard broken ones. Use the last played rule. If it hasn't been played in the last 6 months, it goes away. Create a toy rotation system. Store some toys away and swap them out monthly for novelty. Designate a toy zone. Every toy should have a home, bin, shelves, or labels. Teach kids to give back. Encourage them to donate unused toys to those who are in need. If your child always says, "I'm bored," even with the full toy room, it's time to declutter. Reducing options actually help them play longer and focus better. Technique 3. The 5-minute daily declutter habit. Decluttering doesn't have to be overwhelming. Do little every day. Pick one small area per day, a drawer, a shelf, or one corner of the room. Set 5 minutes timer. Short bursts keep it doable and stress-free. Tidy up with the family. Play music and make it fun. Use the one in, one out rule. For every new item, remove one old one. Do a nightly reset. Before bed, do a quick 5-minute tidy up with kids. Celebrate progress. Never forget to do that. Instead of waiting until the weekend for the massive cleanup, make it a daily habit to declutter your small areas. Technique 4. The clutter-free morning routine. Set up your home for smooth mornings because mornings set up the tone of the day. Create a dedicated space for school essentials. Backpack, shoes, and supplies all in one spot. Prepare outfits the night before. No last-minute rushing to find clothes. Keep breakfast simple, plan easy, stress-free meals. Minimize bathroom chaos. Organize essentials for quick access. Use a checklist for kids so they can get ready independently. Leave 5 minutes early. A clutter-free exit means no stress, no yelling. If mornings are always rushed, having a launchpad area for kids' essentials eliminates morning chaos instantly. So, it's your time to take action now. If today's video gave you an aha moment about how decluttering can transform your home and your parenting, then let's keep this momentum going. Do subscribe to this channel to never miss out a new episode. Like the video and comment below. Which technique did you like the most and which drawer are you going to declutter the first? Share this with a fellow mom who might be struggling with clutter and overwhelm because small changes can create a big transformation. Also, if you are interested to take the next step in your conscious parenting journey, download my free Declutter for Family Harmony Guide, a simple step-by-step checklist to help you start decluttering today. Also, the link of my exclusive community, The Magic Circle, where like-minded mothers are creating peaceful, clutter-free homes while transforming their parenting mindset, is here in the description below. I go live every week to answer your biggest questions. Do not forget to join me and do not forget to download your free resource. I'll see you in the next video.